Are you looking for natural ways to cleanse your liver and revitalize your health? You're in the right place. In this video, we're going to share with you 7 power-packed foods that can help cleanse your liver and say goodbye to toxins. Our liver plays a vital role in filtering and removing harmful substances from our body. But with our modern lifestyles, it can easily get overloaded and sluggish. That's where these incredible foods come in. So, let's get started. First up on our list are scallions, also known as green onions. These vibrant vegetables contain a compound called allium, which boosts liver health by promoting the production of detoxifying enzymes. They are also a great source of vitamin K, which helps prevent blood clotting in the liver. Next, we have seeds. Seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which aid in liver detoxification. You can sprinkle them on your salads or blend them into smoothies for an added nutritional boost. Leeks are vegetables that you should include in your diet. These mild-flavored veggies are rich in sulfur compounds, which aid in liver detoxification. They also contain vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Moving on, let's talk about peanuts. Despite their small size, are packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that help cleanse the liver. However, moderation is key, as they are high in calories. Now it's time to mention green vegetables. Green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of chlorophyll, which helps remove toxins from the liver. They are also packed with antioxidants that protect your liver cells from damage and support overall liver health. Onions also make it onto our list. These versatile vegetables contain powerful antioxidants that help detoxify harmful substances in the liver. They also promote the production of glutathione, a vital antioxidant that supports liver function. Lastly, we have broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable contains sulfur compounds and glucosinolate, which support liver detoxification pathways. With its high fiber content, broccoli aids in digestion and helps your liver in processing waste more efficiently. Its vibrant green color is a sign of its incredible nutritional value. By incorporating these liver-cleansing foods into your diet, you can give your liver the support it needs to function optimally and remove harmful toxins from your body. Thanks for watching our video on liver detoxification. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. For more health-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy, stay toxin-free.